Let's take a closer look at the Humanities and Social Sciences requirement, or HSS. You can think of your Humanities and Social Sciences courses as your general education requirement. These courses are a nice balance to the more technical courses you'll be taking each semester. The HSS requirement consists of 6 courses. You have satisfied at least 2 of the 6, and you may have satisfied even more with your transfer work. In this video, we'll go over the requirement and help you determine which courses you still need to take. The first 2 courses of the HSS requirement are Reading and Composition Part A and Part B, which you've already satisfied prior to admission. There are 4 additional HSS requirements, 2 of which must be upper division. Upper division means classes numbered 100 to 199. The other 2 courses can be upper or lower division. How do you know which requirements you still need to fulfill? You can fulfill a maximum of 2 HSS requirements with exam scores. If you use your Advanced Placement or International Baccalaureate exam for the Reading and Composition A requirement, you could then use one AP, IB, or A-level exam for one of the other HSS requirements. You can check which requirements your exams will fulfill at engineering.berkeley.edu/exams. The Upper Division course requirement can only be fulfilled if you've taken Upper Division classes at a 4-year college. They can't be fulfilled with community college coursework or exam scores. If you've taken a course at a 4-year school or non-California community college, your ESS advisor will need to review the syllabus or course description to determine HSS satisfaction. The last 2 HSS classes can be any college level. If you're coming from a California community college, there's an easy way to see if you fulfilled these. Go to assist.org, choose your academic year in the first box, choose your school from the second box, choose University of California, Berkeley from the third box. Under View Agreement, choose General Education Breadth Agreement. Now choose General Education/Breadth. On the right, you can view the agreement. Scroll down until you see College of Letters and Science 7 Course Breadth. There are 7 categories, starting with Arts and Literature. To fulfill the HSS requirement, you can use courses from any of these categories except Biological Science and Physical Science. Please note, we do accept most college-level foreign language courses for the HSS requirement, even though you won't see them on these breadth lists. One of your HSS courses should also satisfy the American Cultures requirement. You read about the AC requirement earlier in this module. Any course that fulfills the AC requirement is also an HSS course. There are some California community colleges that have AC classes, so to check to see if you've completed the AC requirement, go to americancultures.berkeley.edu, click on Students, and then How to Satisfy the AC Requirement. Then click on the academic sentence list under the heading, Satisfying the AC Requirement at Other Colleges. Then click on your community college. It is your responsibility to make sure you're taking the right classes to fulfill the HSS requirement. It's important to check engineering.berkeley.edu/HSS for all the details of the HSS requirement and more information about what does and does not count. For example, not all the LNS breadth categories will satisfy the HSS requirement, and there is a list of foreign language courses that will count. Later on, you will learn how to use the classes.berkeley.edu to help you search for courses that fulfill general education requirements.